welcome back. So today is clearly going to be a little bit different. So I have my baby girl here with me today, and she's going to be doing my full face of makeup.
Yeah.
So she's been dying to be on the channel here with me, and today is finally that day. Pray for me, y'all, because I have a feeling I'm going to need it. I don't have anything on my face right now, so without further ado, I'm gonna turn it over to her and let's see her work her magic. All right, kiddo, it's all yours.
Okay.
What are we doing?
So we're gonna do your whole face first.
Okay.
And we need this sponge.
What is that? Hold it up to the camera and tell them what you have there.
A sponge.
Uh-huh.
And we have to use this.
What's the?
For her whole face.
The Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, and this one is in MN3. That's how you get it on my face. So.
Put it right here.
Mm-hmm.
And right here. Mm-hmm. Get a little bit more.
Oh, we're gonna get more. Okay.
Yeah, that has to be perfect.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Even though I'm not professional.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Mommy's not either. Oh, a little touch on the nose.
Yes,
yeah. Okay.
A little bit at least.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put it everywhere.
Okay.
So we do the nose first, because it's important.
Mm-hmm.
And then we do that.
Mm-hmm.
We might need a little bit more after this.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Well, I didn't put enough.
Okay. All right.
And then I'm going to try it on.
Oh, okay. I appreciate you keeping my hair out of the way. Okay.
Oops, got a little eyebrow.
All right. Don't worry about it. We'll fix it later. Okay. So we're just going to do swiping motions with the sponge there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
It's the most perfect way to get it.
Oh, okay. See, you learn something new every day. That's what they say.
We might need a tiny bit.
A little tiny bit more. Okay. Going for a very natural coverage. I feel like I should be sitting up just a little bit more. You think? Should I sit up a little higher, or you're good?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. I'll just keep craning my neck like a giraffe. That's fine. All right.
Yeah, a perfect giraffe.
Yes, ma'am. Perfect giraffe. Yes. Okay, go on.
And a little bit on the nose again.
Oh, a little bit on the nose. All right.
Maybe. Here.
Okay. All right.
And right here.
Okay.
And then right here.
All right. Okay. Oh, just all right. Okay.
Because everyone's special in their own way.
Oh, I love that. Yes, everyone is. Absolutely. Okay.
Everyone's beautiful in their own way. Everyone's special. And everyone has their own personality. No one can ever tell you what to do.
That's right, babe. Except for mommy and daddy. All right, what's next? What we got here?
So this is for your eye.
My eyes, okay.
Your under eye.
My under eyes. Somebody's been watching my videos, okay.
So same thing but smaller.
Okay, same thing but smaller. That's right. Doe foot applicators. Okay, here we go.
Put it there. Put it there.
All right. Okay.
With that on your face, it looks like you just woke up. Kind of.
Okay.
The makeup started from all the beginning.
Okay. All right. Okay, cool. Gonna use the sponge again. All right, just sweep that right. Sweep that right on in the eye. Is how that's a new technique.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Okay. All right. Yep. All right. Yeah.
Get a little bit on the eye.
Oh yeah. It's there. It's in there. That's for sure.
There's still some more.
Okay.
Maybe a little on the nose, just in case.
A little on highlighting the nose. Okay. All right. Think that took care of them bags and them dark circles?
And now we're gonna do your blush.
Blush. We're ready for blush. Okay. I like this. Nice fast-paced work here.
And it's a beautiful flower.
Beautiful, yeah. And by the way, she did choose everything that she's using on her own. So,
I'm going to be using this brush.
Okay, that brush for blush. Okay.
Then you go a little bit.
Okay, you get right on in there too. Yes. All right.
Gotta make sure it's perfect.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hey, look at that cheek.
A little bit more.
Little bit more. Little bit more. Okay. On the same cheek. Okay.
I want to tell them a funny story.
Go ahead. Go for it.
So, one time I was doing her makeup, and I put all the makeup I had with me all over her face.
Yes, I looked like quite the Picasso by the time she was done.
And then when Daddy came home, he was laughing.
Yes,
It was really
yes,
funny.
I kept it on all day long. Did not take that off all day.
She took a couple pictures.
Oh, that's a cheek. That is a yes. Yes. Okay.
I did put a little bit of stuff over it. Said it was a little bit too much.
No, baby. This is you, baby. This is you. You do whatever it is you're ready to do.
Okay.
What's next?
So we're gonna do this.
This.
Thing.
That's highlighter. Okay. All right. You want to pick your own brush, or you want to see what I usually use for highlighter?
I'm gonna pick my. Oh.
Okay.
It's all about me today.
Yes, ma'am. It sure is.
All about me.
Absolutely. You have creative control over everything going on.
I'm gonna use this one with the white on it. We're gonna use this one.
We're gonna use a flat top kabuki for my highlight. Oh.
I think it's a little too much.
No.
Maybe something smaller, like this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do.
Oh, okay. We're gonna highlight the nose there. All right.
Perfect. It's glittery.
It's glittery.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Is a glittery
Maybe
nose.
after your eyebrows, we'll put a little bit on your eyebrows to make it shine.
Something to look forward to.
I'm gonna do your eyebrows now, and we're gonna brush it.
Yep, we're gonna brush them bad boys. Yes.
Okay. There we go.
Okay.
And then.
All right. Yeah.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And now we gotta trace it first.
Trace it. Okay, go
Yeah.
for it. All right.
It's gonna be hard.
Now,
Wait,
which way you go?
this one.
Okay, where we go?
Gotta pretend like it's a pencil and put it on lightly. And then we're gonna put a little bit in.
I'm gonna put a little. Okay. Yeah, that's
Other one.
okay.
Yeah, I made a little bit of mistake.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You know, it's
Maybe you could go out in public like this.
yeah. Take a little trip down to Walmart.
We already went to Walmart this morning. It was horrible. Too tired. I was tired.
It's fine. No. Come on. Let's go. Let's move right along here.
And now we do your lips.
Lippies. We're going straight in for lippies. All right. No eye look today.
We're not doing the eyes yet.
Oh, we're not doing it yet. I see. We're saving eyes for last. Okay. All right. Clear.
It's gonna be perfect. And you gotcha.
All right. Here we go. What?
Stop! Stop laughing!
Okay, go. That got teeth. You know, I got a feeling you're not trying your best anymore.
Hey, I'm trying.
All right. I'm good on the lippies. I'm
I
good on
told
the
you I'm
lippies
not
things.
professional.
All right. Moving along to eyes.
Now we're gonna put this.
We are priming them with the Urban Decay Primer Potion.
Yeah. Gonna do that. So tiny.
Thank God I'm already married. I'd be catching a man. I'm sorry. Okay, let us proceed.
So I put that on my fingers. I put it on your eyes first.
Put a little dab on your finger and then, you know, get it on the lid there. I don't recall if you washed your hands before this. How about I do it? How about I do it? Let me do it.
It's about me.
Healthy.
More.
There you go. You don't need more than that.
It's chunky.
Woman.
What?
All right, let's go. Come on. Oh, Lord, baby Jesus.
It's like lotion.
Top things you do not want to hear when discussing your primer. It's like lotion. All right.
Okay.
Other eye?
No, we're going to do this eye first.
Okay, what else? All right, woman. You're going to be using what? She picked out the, BoxyCharm Pure.
The BoxyCharm Pure thingy.
Show everyone the beautiful colors.
We got the beautiful color. This tiny, small brush.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to use the color Mia.
Mia. Okay. Yes, get right on in there with that one. That blue from the palette is what she's going in with.
The blue.
Really getting it on that brush there, huh?
The blue sparkly one.
Just caking it right on that brush. All right.
To be special.
Yes.
And wait, where's that thing where you make the wing on your eye?
Don't even think about it, kid.
Okay, then I'll make my own. Jeez.
So we're using a pokey technique to really dig it into the crease there.
That's what I do sometimes.
Well, that explains a lot, now doesn't it?
Maybe we could go a little higher with the colors.
A little higher.
But we need to make the wing because I don't have the makeup
There goes
big
my
to make
eardrum.
the wing.
Yes, right. Don't you worry about them wings. Look at that color. Woo, you got a wing right there. Like, look at that.
We need to make more.
Look at that.
We need to make more. Please. So we're going to use Boxy Black. It has like some glitter.
You're just going to stab right into that color there. All right. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Don't forget to tap off the excess. This is important.
It's
Yes.
so black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You gotta make sure. Yep, looks perfect. Maybe a little right there. Don't open your eyes yet until I tell you. You look like a panda.
Whoa. Panda. Panda.
Don't you even think about it.
Panda. 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 I got...
Hey.
Well. It's a look.
It's your own look.
Straight from the runways of New York Fashion Week.
You mean the New York Fashion Shop?
Right. Ah! Well, give me a chance to close my eyes first before you go in there.
I need a bigger brush. This is too small to find it out.
You need a bigger brush.
Because that one's for like the mini
to make
wing.
a bigger mess.
Interesting.
These lips, though.
The lips are fine. Okay. Gonna use this one. This big brush.
Oh, right into that blue. Yes, yes, yes.
Did I get it in there?
I'm thinking it's in there. It ain't getting more in there than that. Don't you dare blow on that.
The night sky
Yep.
is perfect.
Right.
Yep, get
Yep.
some on that eyelash.
Mm-hmm. Totes needed on the eyelash. Yes, we're just gonna pounce that right.
Glitter.
Oh, there's fallout. Oh, imagine that.
Is this one
Imagine
clean?
that. It doesn't even matter anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna use one from here. And we can go right on the top where your eyebrow stops. And then we're gonna use the color BFF.
Oh, that magenta purple. Yes.
And we're gonna go in with the back.
Mm-hmm.
Mix it in with the blue to make a little bit purple.
Jab it on in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wait, close your eyes again. make a little eyelash color stuff.
Okay.
Now the other eye.
We're gonna go match that other eye, and we'll be right back.
We're not gonna match the other eye.
Why did I do this? So things took a turn. I think we're done.
Wait, no, what? We need to put a spray on your face so it can melt all down together. Okay?
Not like we can make it any worse. I mean, you know, better.
Hey.
Let's go. Come on. Go on. Alright. Okay, that was just all in my ear at that point. And we started off so well. I have never seen this lipstick, this liquid lip cake up like this. That's certainly a new thing for me to see. Well then, next time you see this child, I'll be doing her makeup.
Yes.
And we'll see if I can do better than this.
Hey.
But thank you anyway for being on my channel. For anybody who didn't know, she's also the artist behind my wall. And very soon we will be changing that. And it'll be a new picture, a new lovely work of art. So baby, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
And if you haven't already, then please comment, rate, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That is very important these days. You have an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I, or we, who knows, we'll see you in my next video. Bye.